Today we will discuss the properties of definite integration. We are writing the properties. First we write the properties. Integration from a to b, f of x into dx is equal to integration from a to b, f of y dy. Means if the variable changes without changing the function and value, then the definite integration value will not be changed. That is, just for an example, integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx is same as integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin theta d theta. When the variable changes, x changes to theta, but the function say remains same, sin function, here is sin function, there will be no change in the value of definite integration. Second bit, integration from a to b, f of x into dx will be equal to minus integration from b to a, f of x into dx. When the lower and upper limit interchanges, then the definite integration sign will be changed. If it is positive, then it will change to negative. A to b here, it will be b to a. Next is third bit. Come to third bit. Integration from a to b, f of x dx, that will be equal to integration from a to c, f of x dx, plus integration from c to b, f of x into dx. Look at here, we break at the point C if C is in between A and B. Right? Come to fourth bit, integration from 0 to A, f of x into dx is equal to integration from 0 to A, f of a minus x into dx. In case of integration is from 0 to A, then x will be replaced by a minus x. Right? Come to fifth bit, integration from a to b, f of x into dx is equal to integration from a to b, f of a plus b minus x into dx. Come to sixth bit, integration from minus a to a, f of x into dx is equal to integration from 0 to a, f of x plus f of minus x into dx. This is the integration from minus a to a. We break from 0 to a, and one is f of x, the other is f of minus x into dx. Now come to the next property. Property 6. Property 7. Integration from minus a to a, f of x into dx is equal to twice of integration from 0 to a, f of x dx if f of x is even function. What do you mean by even function? We have already discussed in the function chapter. If f of minus x is equal to f of x, then it is even function. If f of minus x is minus fx, then it is odd function, and it is 0 if f of x is odd. Come to next bit, 8 bit, integration from 0 to 2a, f of x dx, that is equals to twice of integration from 0 to a, f of x dx if f of 2a minus x is equal to fx, and it is 0 if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. Right? Come to next property, ninth property. If f of x is periodic function with period p. If the function f of x has period p, then Then its first bit, integration from 0 to np f of x dx is equals to n into integration from 0 to p f of x into dx. Its second bit, integration from np to np f of x dx, that is equal to n minus m into integration from 0 to p f of x into dx. And the last bit, integration from np to np plus a f of x dx, that is equals to integration from 0 to a f of x into dx. These three properties for the periodic function f of x, and these are the properties we have to discuss. And in the next video we'll discuss some problems on it. Right? This is all about today.